everybody. So today's video is on the baby BeeHinds swim nappy, which Waddle is modeling adorably. Aren't you, sweetie? Can you sit up? There we go. Yeah. So we're showing you some features of the nappy and also just how easy it is to fit. Shall we go do that? Yeah. So this here is the baby BeeHinds multi-award winning swim nappy. Just a little bit about swim nappies in general. All swim nappies, regardless of if they're cloth swim nappies or if they're disposable swim nappies, are only designed to keep in solids to prevent the water from getting dirty. They're not designed to soak up any liquid because obviously they're in the water. So keep that in mind. That's why they don't have any extra inserts in them, which you'll see when I go further into detail with the nappy. And with that in mind, the fact that they're designed to only keep in the solids, I'm going to go through some reasons why this swim nappy in particular is really good. So first of all, you've got the Velcro around the front here, which can just be pulled to wherever baby needs it, even across on top, which unlike snaps where they only have particular things, it makes it a lot easier to get a really tight fit, which again is really needed. You've then got the laundry tabs here, so it's not going to attach to anywhere else but where it's needed to. You've got the large thick elastic back here, which is unique to baby BeeHinds. So again, really good because it's designed to keep in any solids. But on top of that, it's also a one size fits most swim nappy, which means that it will grow with your baby. So you go from newborn up until they're toilet trained. And the way that works is you've got two different kinds of snaps. You've got little in snaps here, and then you've got out snaps up the top. And the out snaps click into the lower ones at whatever level you need it. So stretched out is size 1, this one is size 2, 3, 4, and obviously the smaller one down is the smaller snap. And the way you do it is you literally just snap them in place. And these snaps as well are really strong snaps. So again, they're not gonna come undone. So it's gonna be a really good fit for your bubby. So that is the one size next down. For Waddle, I have her on the lower snaps here. So to keep in mind, you want to go to the lower snap you can, so you get the tightest fit possible. And that is pretty much the swim nappy. Like I said before, I'll just show you the inside. It doesn't have any inserts. It doesn't have a place for an insert to go in. It doesn't need them. It is not designed for that. So with that in mind, I'm going to take you and show you how to do a fit with the swim nappy. So I've got the swim nappy here. I've got the tags on the laundry tabs because I also find it easier to fit when they are back. Then we bring it to the front. So Waddle is also with because it's the one size fits most. She's on the smaller snaps. She is just above 6 kilos. So you want it nice and snug with the swim nappies because they're designed to keep everything in, all the floaties. So you obviously want it the smallest size you can get on your baby. The tighter, the better, the more it's gonna work. You have the waist there, the nice thick band at the back, just high up on the bottom. Yeah, Bobby. And then this part here, so the extra part from the one size fits most, sticks upwards. Yeah. Then you just have that around the waist like so. Undo the Velcro snap parts. And it's so easy, you literally just bring it to wherever it needs to be. Don't you, Bubby? Yeah. And there we go on Waddle. Woo. Yeah. Hey. Then make sure that's pointing up. Bring this back. Make sure it's all nice and fitted in. And I like to tuck those little tags in. And there you have it. The swim nappy. All fitted on Waddle. It's so easy to put on. So easy to fit. And a great thing about it is if there is any solids in it after they've been to the pool or the beach, yeah, you don't have to pull it down with all the solids in it. It undoes, which is great. And that's the swim nappy, isn't it, puppy? Yeah. Yeah. So here's Waddle in her swim nappy. Swim nappies are great ideas for baby gifts, especially teamed with matching wet bags for all parents, regardless of if they're doing cloth nappies or not, because they are super easy to use and they will really come in handy.